Sensory play is not just for young children aged 3 to 6 years old. It can be for anybody. And in this video, I want to demonstrate that with my 10-year-old playing with this set we just bought from Play All Day. Come and check it out. Hey there friends, if you don't know me, I'm Catherine from the OET, and on my channel I share inspiration for fellow families to connect with one another, learning through stories, play and creativity. In this video I'm sharing our opening of the Play All Day sensory tray set, and it's super cute set. I love this product from this company, and as you can see it comes with really nice packaging. We've got the sensory materials, and I just thought it was really lovely, the rainbow, and there's different materials in there like hoops and dyed chickpeas and rice, so lots of things for children to get stuck into. And you also have this really cute wooden bowl, some tweezers and a couple of scoops as well. So there's lots that gets you started, and of course the white tray that helps start off your sensory play kit at home. It has everything that you need to get going. And I really loved that the company included these instructions here, some top tips for sensory play, and they've got some image inspiration on the back of their card as well. Now, a little bit of background, my children at the time of this video are actually 10 and 8. So they're kind of outside of the age range that people tend to associate sensory play with. Often a lot of content is aimed at like preschool age, 3 to 6 year olds, but actually there's so many benefits for older children utilizing sensory play. Obviously we have, those foundation skills that they're still building. We're building that motor development. We're exploring different materials and being exposed to different things as well. And it really does promote their imagination and creativity. As you can see here, so this is my daughter, she's 10 at the time of this video, and she absolutely loves diving into anything that's messy play. She absolutely loves it. So there really isn't an age limit on sensory play. It's basically important to know your children and what they like and what they dislike. For example, my son, if there's anything messy where it's sticky and gloopy, he's not interested at all, but the feel of the rice he absolutely loves. We've coloured our own rice at home because of that fact. So it gives them different varieties. So it's important to know our own children, what their likes are, what their dislikes are, and we can accommodate that within sensory play. So my daughter's demonstrating here different things that she's doing. I just kind of said to her like, hey, here's this pack that I've opened, come and play with it. So there was no instructions given, she's just got stuck in, she's filling, she's scooping, and she's just having a blast. This is what I mean by how it's quite open-ended with her creativity. There she was burying some things and I hadn't told her to do that. So there she's making patterns as well, so that's really, really good for mark making. And now she's doing something that I should have expected knowing my daughter. She's very artistic and loves creating pictures. She's actually making this blank canvas where she's going to make a face in the sensory tray, which I thought was really, really cute. As you can see, there really is not an age limit when it comes to sensory play. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you a little bit of inspiration, and if you haven't already, go and check out that store, Play All Day. They're on Etsy. I'll leave the link below.